Hello creative mind, welcome home. I'm Survival and today I'll be showing you how to make whiteboard animation on renderforest. In the previous class, I showed you how to make a 3D explainer toolkit using renderforest.com. Today we'll be talking about how to make whiteboard animation using renderforest.com. So open up your browser and type in renderforest.com. Let's get to work. So I'm opening up my renderforest.com. Like I told you, you click on get started here. When you get started, you click on video, then create video. When you're on create video, you just scroll down. It's still loading. This is explainer toolkit. This is for 2D. Okay, this is the whiteboard animation. So just click on whiteboard animation. It's loading. So click on create now. Okay, I already told you what add scene means, load presets and others. So we just move to add scene. So now this 3D this whiteboard animation is not so much different from what I showed you in 3D explainer toolkit. They share a lot of similarities. So here you can change your character. This one is casual male character, corporate male character. Okay, in the last class I think we used forgotten what we used, but this time let's use a corporate female character in making this video. Okay, so this is what it will look like. So which one should I choose now? Waving woman. Okay, let me take this. Okay, I think we use the man carrying money. Okay, so let's use a lady that is also carrying money here. So you click on it, it loads. You see what it looks like. So insert. Look at the tail end of your browser or your screen, you see insert there. So you just insert. So here you type in your text. Okay, let me just say money. Okay, so you save and close. So now let's try another thing again. Okay, so here I will go for what should I go for now? Okay, in the previous training tutorial, we used text holder, image holder. Okay, this time we'll use check marks. Okay, so let's use this one, this check mark. Okay, insert. So here I'll type in maybe services, save and continue. I'll put in graphic design, or let's say graphics. I'll put in web design. This is web design. Okay, save and continue. I'll put in what again? Video production. Then I'll put in photography. Okay, I'll put in photography. Then save and continue. So let's add one more scene to it again. I'm waiting it to load. I'm waiting for it to load. Okay, this time we'll go for, let's go for ribbons. This time we've not used ribbons before. Ribbons, where are you? Okay, this is ribbons. So this is what a ribbon looks like. Okay, so I'll take this and then click on insert. So I'll just put in here S creativity. So in this second text again, I'll put masters, or let's say the masters, the masters. Save and continue. So if you need to change, I'm waiting for it to load. If you need to change, the look, you go here. I already showed you that in the last class. If you need to change the colors, you click on that and change the colors. So if you need to add music to it, to edit or to do anything, you come here. So I'll add music. I'll use this electro mix. I don't even know what it sounds like. If you want to know what it sounds like, you can click on the play to know what the sound is before you click on the plus sign over there. So I'll go to play now, and then from there I'll do free preview. So it's still loading. So now my video have finished loading or exporting. So here now I can actually view my video. Let's click on it to see what it looks like. So we can download our video by clicking on this arrow, this download icon. So this is it. So we can go to check it out on our gallery. Okay, my gallery is closed. So this is my gallery. So this is the video here. So that is how you make a 3D whiteboard animation on renderforest. Like I told you, that advert there, which is created by renderforest, some people like it that way. Some people who don't like it and who want to replace it either with their company name or with anything they feel like. So in our video editing class, I'll show you how you can edit that and then replace it with your company name. And also I can show you how you can make video that exceeds 1 minute. So for your assignment, try to make videos using whiteboard animation. So thank you so much for watching. See you next class. God bless you.